Now the next question is to name the quadrilateral formed by the following points and give reasons for it. I have A, B, C and D. Same simple. I'll be going for the distance formula. Find the distances of all. You can easily find the distances. So let us say here AB is here. This is root over 1 minus in the formula. After that here minus 1 means it becomes plus 1 whole square. I told you before in the previous video also. 0 minus in the formula, the minus is there, so plus 2 whole square. Now it will come out to be 2 square is 4 plus 4, that is root 8. What about the next one? The distance BC minus 1 whole square plus, see here x coordinates. I'm not writing something different. Then 2 minus 0 whole square. So it will come out to be again 4 plus 4, this is root 8. So you got the two distances same. What about CD? Now CD is C to D. I'll change the color if you have a confusion on how I'm doing. Okay, C and D here minus 3 minus in the formula plus 1 whole square. What about the other one? 0 minus 2 whole square. See here all the answers are coming same. So here it is 4 plus 4 again, that is root 8. Now what about the last one? A to D minus 3 minus in the formula, so plus 1 whole square plus 0 plus 2 whole square. What about this again? Here you got 4 plus 4, that is root 8. So you got root 8 answers for all the sides of the quadrilateral. Let us check about this A to C. Here the A to C is a diagonal. See here minus 1 plus 1 whole square and a 2 plus 2 whole square. So this is coming out to be 2 plus 2 4 square is 16. The answer is 4. Similarly find out for B to D. Now B to D when you do are getting minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. Okay, this is again coming as 16, that is 4. So diagonals equal, all the sides are equal, then you can write this ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. I'll take one more question. This question I will take, and the other one you try it how to do it. The second one I'll try. Let me take A is minus 3 and 5, B is 3 and 1, C is 0, 3 and D is minus 1, minus 4. This is the meaning why I wrote down. Let us go for AB distance. The AB distance will be 3 here, minus immediately in the formula, okay? And have a minus 3, so become plus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 5 whole square. So comes out answer is 3 plus 3 6 square 36 plus minus 4 square 16. So altogether when you add you will get root 52. Now the next one is B to C distance, the other side. So when you do this 0 minus in the formula 3 square plus 3 minus 1 square. See here how it looks. This is 9 plus 2 square is 4, that is root 3. You got these two distances. If you think I'm going a little fast, you can try pause this video and do CD and check the answer. CD is minus 1 minus 0 whole square plus y coordinate minus 4 minus 3 whole square. So it will come out to be 1 plus this is 49. So root 50. Now what about the last one, that is AD? See, I'm getting all are different lengths. So here AD is the last one, A to D. So we get minus 1 plus 3 whole square. See, listen carefully, minus 1, your minus is there, so plus 3 whole square, minus 4 minus 5 whole square. So this is comes out to be 2 square, that is 4, plus 9 square, 81, that is 85. See, AB is BC, CD and AD all are having different lengths, so this doesn't form a quadrilateral. doesn't form quadrilateral. So the points are not going to form quadrilateral. So next one you can try at home.